my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start GK Unit 4, Sports and Entertainment. Chapter number 16, The Sound of Music. Read the descriptions and write the numbers to match the singers on the next page. Number 1. Jazz started with the African American community. America's classical music, its main feature was improvisation, players making up music on the spot. 1. North Jones. Next, 2. Blues is originally an African American song from south of the USA with blend of spiritual songs, work song of field workers, shouts and ballads. Number 2. Robert Johnson. Hip hop music to rap music consists of poetic verses accompanied with rapping. Eminem. Number 4. Latin music is the name used for music that comes from Spanish and Portuguese speaking regions of the world. Number 4 is Ricky Martin. Where is Ricky Martin? This one, 4. Five. Rock music is a type of pop music with strong beats, usually sung loudly by a small group of people with electric guitars and drums. Number 5 is Paul Mac. This one, 5. Number 6. A ghazal is a poetic verse sung to express deep emotions of love and loss. 6 is Jagjit Singh. Number 6. Qawwali is a form of Sufi poetry sung by groups called Qawwas. The lyrics are based on love and spirituality. It is Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. Number 7. 8. Bhajas refer to devotional songs in praise of Hindu gods. They are soft, melodious songs. Number 8. Anup Jalota. Number 9. Indian classical music is a detailed form of music and one of the most ancient with origin dating way back to the Vedas. It consists of North Indian music called Hindustani, emphasis on raga, and the South Indian music called Carnatic composition based. Number 9 is Pandit Ravi Shankar. 9. And the last one is 10. Bhangra is a type of upbeat Punjabi music invented in England in the 1980s by Punjabi community. Later dhol and drum beats were added. The dhol provides the bass part. Number 10, it's Daleer Mehndi. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 17, Olympic Games. The Olympic Games are the world's leading international sports competition in which thousands of athletes from different countries take part in a variety of compositions. They are held alternative every 2 years as summer and winter Olympic Games. Symbols. The symbol is the Olympic rings, which has 5 rings of different colors representing unity of 5 continents: Africa, America, Asia, Australia and Europe. Olympic flame. The Olympic flame is lit a few months before each event in Olympia to honor ancient Greek rituals. This is done through a torch relay that is carried to the host city's Olympic Stadium for the opening ceremony. Olympic motto. The Olympic motto is Citius, Emptius, Fortius, which means faster, higher, stronger. Olympic mascot. The Olympic mascot is a fictional character which represents the cultural heritage of the host country. Olympiad. The Olympiad is the period of 4 years beginning with the Summer Olympic Games. History. The Olympic Games originated in Olympiad, Greek around 3000 years ago in honor of the god Zeus. The first modern games were held in Athens in 1896 when a French nobleman, Pierre de Coubertin, managed to bring together many countries to start the Olympic movement. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 80. Look at these pictures, read the description and fill in the blanks. Number 1. It is the world's best-selling musical instrument. It is a harmonica. Number 2. It is a wind instrument of Australia used for ceremonial singing and dancing. Dash is a musical instrument popularly known as sweet potato. Ocarina. Number 4. Dash is a musical instrument used by the shepherd of Switzerland to call their herds of goats and sheep. Number 4. It is alphorn. Dash is a pear-shaped violin played with a bow across the string. It was used by Arabs way over 1000 years ago. Rabab or rebek. Dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 90. The cricket pitch is a flat rectangular strip 22 yards long and 12 feet wide. Wickets are placed at both ends of the pitch and batters and bowlers, one of each at each, and take turns bowling and batting. So it can be green, bouncy or low, but it is important that its surface is hard enough to allow the ball to bounce consistently. So look at the picture of a cricket pitch and write the names of the position. Position on a cricket pitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. छोटे से स्पेस में कैसे लिखा जाएगा ये? Third. Fine leg. Wicket. Number 4. Number 4 is mid off. Number 5 mid on. Number 6 is mid wicket. B. Umpire signal. Sixer. Out. No ball. And the last one is wide ball. Cricket commentators. 1. Sunil Gavaskar. Jasdev Singh. Cricket players. Virat Kohli. Number 2 is Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. Cricket equipment. Number 1 is helmet, bat, balls and bill, boat shoes, अभी इसने बस अभी रख दो, ये होने वाली है ये यूनिट। ये वाला फोन चाहिए तुम्हें? अब अभी दे रही। 5 wickets, thigh pads, number 7 pads, 8 gloves, wicket keeper's gloves, number 10 scoreboard, number 11 टीम, इसको टीम भी बोल सकते हैं और प्लेयर्स भी बोल सकते हैं, प्लेयर। नंबर 12 पिच, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 20, cups and trophies. Some famous cups and trophies associated with sports. Let's talk about them and their events. Number 1, Davis Cup is awarded to the winner. The annual international lawn tennis tournament for men's team. Its official name is the International Lawn Tennis Challenge Trophy. Number 2, the ICC Cricket World Cup is the premier international championship of men's one-day international cricket. The first Cricket World Cup contest was organized in England in June 1975. Number 3, Walker Cup is a golf trophy is contested by yearly in odd number years between teams including the golfers of the United States and Great Britain and Ireland. Number 4, the FIFA World Cup is often simply called the World Cup. It is an international football tournament held after every 4 years. Brazil has won the FIFA World Cup 5 times. Number 5, the Thomas Cup, sometimes called the World's Men's Team Championship, is an international badminton competition. Indonesia is the most successful team, having won the tournament 13 times. So everyone, the whole chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.